Abdali Grammar School. Science. Lesson. Forms of Energy and Energy Transfer. Chapter number 5. Lecture number 3. 69 Abdali Road, Islampura Road. Welcome back with another interesting video about forms of energy. Start discussing about sound energy. Sound is the form of energy that we can hear. Sound is produced when two objects vibrates. When we beat a drum with sticks, then sound is produced. When we put a small piece of paper on drum and start beating the drum, the piece of paper also vibrates. This shows that sound is produced by vibrating of surface. Let's learn about echo. An echo is a sound caused by the reflection of sound waves from a surface back to the listener. We can hear sound again due to echo. Echolocation. Some animals, such as bats and dolphins, use echo to find their food and way. This is called echolocation. Next form of energy is heat energy. Heat is the form of energy that flows from warmer object to colder object. As hot objects close to cold objects, they transfer heat. Temperature. Temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness of an object. There are two scales that are used to measure the temperature: Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale. Dear students, every scale have different points of meltings and boiling. For example, at Celsius scale water boils at 100 degree and freezes at 0 degree. At Fahrenheit scale, water boils at 212 degree and freezes at 32 degree. Next form of energy is electrical energy. Electrical energy or electricity is the flow of electrical current in a circuit. Electric circuit consists of following source: cell or battery, electrical wires, light bulb, switch. Electrical energy is transferred into other forms of energy in different devices. For example, a light bulb changes electrical energy into light energy. LED changes electrical energy into sound energy. Iron changes electrical energy into heat energy. I hope you all understand all the forms of energy. Thanks for watching. Must like and subscribe our YouTube channel. 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore.